Hey everybody, Kenyon Banks is Southern Boys Outdoors. Here it is, the first day of the Missouri hunting season. Man, I cannot be no more pumped up. My little buddy Garrett done put the slobber knocker on one. My little buddy Colin done put the slobber knocker on one. I've seen a few bucks, but hadn't got a shot on one yet, so it's getting that time. I'm loving it. I'm sitting here all day, but you know what? I'm getting hungry, so it's Pop-Tart time. Guys, you ain't gonna believe this right here. The next time you go hunting, you will be bringing you some Pop-Tarts with you. Check this out. All right, you got your little Mr. Buddy heater right there. And I got it set on low. And that heat comes up out of that heater like that. Then you see that grill right there? It holds the Pop-Tart perfectly. Now, you can put it in like this, or you can put it in like this. I prefer to put it in long ways like that, just like that. Now, I got my Pop-Tart on there. It takes about 25 seconds for it to be done. And now it's cooking. It's going to burn on the bottom probably. I'm going to do a Mama T to it probably. I don't know. But anyway, oh, it's warming up. It's heating up. Oh, it should be about ready now. It should be about ready now, Kenyon. Oh, it should be about ready. Huh? Y'all think it's ready? Ooh, ow, hot. Ooh, hot. Hey, deer stand Pop-Tarts, baby. It just don't get no better than that. I guarantee you, some of y'all out there that watches this video will be cooking Pop-Tarts on your Mr. Buddy heaters. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. The next time you go deer hunting and you in your deer stand with your Mr. Buddy heater, you're going to be thinking about these Pop-Tarts. And you're probably going to be eating them Pop-Tarts in that stand. Because I'm going to tell you something. You don't get no better than that. But make sure you got you some water with you. Make sure you got your bottle of water with you, because them Pop-Tarts, ooh, they dry your mouth out. Oh, man. Hey, deer stand Pop-Tarts, it just don't get no better than that.